The breeder, Antonio Martinez, also desired a canine that would display willingness and steadfast bravery, protecting its human. With their high prey drive, strong will, and distrust of other animals and strangers, the doggo require an experienced dog owner to handle. The doggo boasts of impeccable intelligence and courage, and thus, these ferocious dogs are used for search and rescue, guide for the blind, competitive obedience, as well as police and military work. If you come across a mysterious photo online and want us to look into it, just send it over, and we may even feature it on a future video. Rottweiler. Rottweilers, as the name suggests, originate from Rottweil, Germany, and are one of the most aggressive dog breeds in the world. No, it's not because they are ferocious, but because they were actually a favorite to many butchers during that time. On the July of 2009, a 2-year-old UK Rottweiler named Jake chased off a man who was molesting a woman in Coventry.